How to create account in PrimeXBT. Are you guys facing issue to create account in PrimeXBT? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To create account in PrimeXBT, first of all, open PrimeXBT app on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download app on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open up the app, now just simply click on sign up, which is usually located at the bottom of your screen. Tap on sign up. After you click on sign up, you'll be able to create your account using Google ID. Just simply tap on Google, continue with Google. Once you click on it, you need to write down your Google email and password. As soon as you write it down, they will send you verification code on that certain registered email. Just write down your verification code. As soon as you write it down, you will be able to create account on PrimeXBT. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to create account on PrimeXBT. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to watch it. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.